To lift up heavy objects is not easy. Even moving them is hard work. This is caused by the force on the Earth's gravity. The gravity is an important force. Movement on Earth would be quite difficult without gravity. It attracts all objects on the Earth, including human beings and animals, in the direction to the center of the Earth. Gravity makes things fall. The golf ball falls faster than the feather because it is heavier, and the feather's speed is reduced by the air resistance. We can see this as well as with these two pieces of paper. Both have the same weight, but the crumbled one is less affected by the air resistance. We measure the force which pulls the object down to the earth in kilograms, and the force which is needed to move an object is measured in newtons. This motor is moved with 1.5 meters per 1 second. Let us look at the formula for force. We measure force with moving objects in Newton, called after the famous physician Isaac Newton. 1 Newton is mass, measured in kilograms, times acceleration, measured in meters per second. In terms of our motor, we count mass 8 kilograms times acceleration 1.5 meters is 12. That means the force we need for moving the motor is 12 newtons. Now, how is the behavior of objects in motion? Our small cart is in motion, pulled with a rope. The driver and the container of the cart are in rest. They are in inertia. As long as the cart with the driver and the container is driving with the same speed, nothing happens. As soon as an unbalanced force acts, in our case, a sharp increment of the speed, the cart moves faster than the container, which is in inertia. It falls backwards from the cart as well as the driver. If the cart pushes with a high speed into a wall, the balance between the cart, the driver, and the container is disturbed. The cart is stopped by the force, but the driver and the container are still in the tendency of moving. They are pushed ahead. That is why it is advisable to use safety belts when driving.